Welcome back to another episode of Diagnostic Dentist. It's gonna be a quick one because it's been a while. Got some to edit in the works, but wanted to throw this one up here. Relatively short one. So 04 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with a 6.0 to match the 6.010. So we have a 15 amp lighter fuse blown that I found by having no communication. I was trying to check codes and data for existing current problems, AC, power seat, passenger side, and so yeah, we have a blown fuse. What did I find in there? 25 amps blown. So we have 15 amp ready to go when we're done. But for testing, I use a circuit breaker, 15 amps as well, right there. And GTC fuse adapter and my inline fuse. I use this a lot for current ramping, injectors, coils, whatnot, and blown fuses. So we're gonna put our amp clamp around this, turn it on, turn our AES Wave U-scope on, and you'll see right here we have volts, 2 volts, and we're in a 1-to-1 calibration. So we're gonna hit OK. We're gonna have vertical, up, which is down, all the way to the bottom, probe cal. We're there. So I'm gonna hit left, which is 100 millivolts per 1 amp. And that's what 20 amps is. 100 millivolt per amp. So we're there. Okay. Hit the 0. Oh. See, the total screen is 148 amps. So our resolution is gonna be pretty low. Whole screen, 7 amps. Let's hit 0. There we go. But for the whole screen, I want 37. We have a trigger at 14. Oh. Let's bump that up to 15, which our fuse blows at. And push this in, which completes the circuit. After we put our amp clamp, obviously. 0. And press. Boom, already there. Above the 15 amps. And pop. Boom. Pop goes the weasel. There's another blown fuse. Puts at 20. Put the circuit, and we're at 20 amps. Put a single trigger so it'll capture it. 20 millisecond. Close it. Boom. And now if we decrease our time, you can see it zoomed in. So it's like a ripple of current. 20 amps up to roughly 23, 22.8. So yeah, that concludes it. What is it? The lighter itself. Look at that. Gross. Shorted internally. So we'll put this guy in there. Charger. Hit OK. Auto, norm. What I want to do is go back to my time base to scan mode. There we go. I love that. It's like a Pico, little mini Pico. So I'm gonna close the circuit. Nothing. And we have power. So that concludes it. Bad lighter. Do not use that lighter, or do not smoke, or both. So that concludes it. Don't use that, and use your U-scope. Use your scope. Don't be afraid to pull it out and test. How are you gonna get experience without it? U-scope master kit, like $430 now. Comes with that amp clamp specifically with the MCX adapter. And then this setup is very cheap too. This is like 10 bucks, a couple bucks. You can get like 5 for $5 probably on eBay, less than that. As long as the pulse current works. And then GTC fuse adapter, they make a new kit. It's only 3 pieces, perfect for most of them. And they make a bigger set. The small set's like 13 bucks. Bigger set's, I don't know, 25 or so. So yeah, we are done here. Put this 15 amp fuse and call it a day. Another Chevy fixed. Diagnostic Dentist out.